In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the core drivers and a tool called DynaMo to accelerate the onboarding of your new hires. So once a new hire has been recruited into your organization, they can access their core drivers report. And here we provide them with lots of rich information that's going to give them the insight into the way that they work, make decisions, and collaborate with others. We highlight specific tips of which they can use to improve the way that they manage their blind spots, advice around how they can leverage their core drivers to become a great collaborator, and if they're in a leadership position, we can give them feedback so they can manage their risks and their strengths to lead effectively. But that's just the first step. We have many tools available to guide this person, this new hire, in their new role and accelerate their onboarding. We do that using a tool called DynaMo. DynaMo enables you to go on self-directed learning journeys whereby you can select specific goals that you want to work on and then receive ongoing coaching feedback to improve and build new capability. Here's an example whereby, based on the fact that I am a very disciplined individual, I need to work on delegating more. And so I've chosen to work on this goal. And the first activity I have is presented to me. I have some questions I should answer. I'm giving an activity for me to practice and an opportunity for some self-reflection. Once I've worked through this activity, I can mark it as complete. I can share how helpful this activity was. And then I'll receive an email notification in a few days when my next activity is available. Once that's complete, I can start a new DynaMo journey whereby I can select a new goal to work on. And these goals, as you see on my screen, are based on my core drivers. So everyone is going to have a different development journey. And we can map these development journeys against your competency frameworks. So here, being very considerate, I want to become better at addressing conflict. So I'm going to choose to work on that. I can then choose to work on that for, say, 30 days. I'm going to start my sprint. And then now I have a new set of cards and activities to work through. So that's DynaMo in just a few minutes. With the DB Singles platform, we can help you identify talent and then use those assessment results to accelerate the onboarding and performance of your new employees.